Hello students, good morning everyone. Now it's time for your accounts class. Okay, now our today's topic, analysis of financial statement, and under this the tools used, comparative and common size statement. For this, see the learning objectives, financial statement, uses of financial statement, tools for financial analysis, a comparative statement and the common size statement. First of all, what are the key terms? Number one, share capital. For example, in a company, the total capital of rupees 50 lakh, share of rupees 10 each. So here, company's total capital 50 lakh and per share value rupees 10. Okay, and rupees 10 is also known as the nominal or face value of the share. Okay, and the share means a share in the share capital of the company and includes the stock, and collectively all shares considered as the stock, a lot. Next key term, financial statement. Financial statements means when you want to know about the company's financial position, you need the records. Okay, and these all statements under the financial statements. Okay, financial statements are the end products of the accounting process which reveals the financial results of the specified period and financial position as on particular date. So when you want to know about the current year data, okay, financial position of the company Reliance, okay, then you just take out the balance sheet of Reliance company till the 31st March 2020. Okay, and the next balance sheet, that is 31st March 2021. Now the balance sheet simply shows the assets portion and the liability portion. Okay, assets with the company and the liabilities of the company, short term, long term. Okay, the balance sheet shows all the assets owned by the concern. Okay, and all the obligation or liabilities payable to the outsiders or the creditors and claims of the owners on a particular date. It is one of the important statements depicting the financial position or the status or strength of an undertaking. So simply it shows the financial position. Okay, the company's financial position sound or not, only just predicted with the help of the balance sheet. Next one is statement of profit and loss account. It is a statement of revenue earned and the expenses incurred for earning the revenue. So this statement shows the revenue portion and expense portion of the company. If the revenue more and expenses less, then company is in a profit. Okay, and if the expenses more and the revenue less, then the company is suffering the losses. Reserves and surpluses. Reserves means the amount set out of the profits and other surpluses to meet the future contingencies. For future contingencies, when you reserve some amount from the profit, okay, reserve and surpluses like journal reserve, capital redemption reserve, dividend reserve. The next key term, operating cycle. Operating cycle, see, firstly cash, you use the cash, purchase the goods or raw material and then produce goods or services for sale, and then sell goods or services, at the end collect cash from the customer and again cash generated. This cycle is considered as the operating cycle in the business. Now the introduction, financial statement. Financial statement includes the balance sheet, income statement and cash flow. So what is financial statement? Financial statements are written records that convey the business activities and financial performance of a company. So financial statement also used as a proof because this one is totally written records available. Okay, and also shows the performance of the company for a particular year. Balance sheet. A balance sheet of the assets, liability and capital of the business or other organization at the particular point in time, detailing the balance of income and expenditure over the preceding period. Income statement. Income statement shows your revenue. As already I explained in the key terms the meaning of balance sheet, income statement. So here income statement, revenue minus your expenses and losses, also sometimes called the net income statement or statement of earnings. So here income statement is also known as the net income statement or statement of earnings. Now cash flow, cash inflows, cash outflow. Cash inflows like cash receipt from sales. When you receive the cash after sale, cash receipt from the earnings on the investment. On investment you just received any interest. Okay. Cash outflows like payment to the suppliers and employees, payments for interest and taxes. You paid the amount for all such expenses. A cash flow statement tells you how much cash is entered and leaving your business. So how much cash you received and how much cash you use for your expenses. Okay, and the statement is known as cash flow statement, shows the exact picture of the company. Users of financial statement: internal user, external users. So internal user means within the organization using the statements, like shareholders, management, employees. For shareholders, shareholder just know about the position of financial position of the company and know about the profits of the company with the help of the statements, and management check the performance of the company with the help of the financial statements, and employees wants to know about the financial position of the companies because they want more return in future, more salaries. External users like the investor, because investors, sometimes potential investor, firstly check out the statement, then only invest in the company. Then the creditors only provide credit in future after analyzing the financial statements. And the government want the taxes. Firstly the government check out the financial statements, then only impose the taxes. Internal users like shareholder, financial statements provide a snapshot of a corporation's financial health at a particular point in a time, giving the insight into its performance, operations, cash flow, overall conditions. Okay, shareholder needs financial statement to evaluate their equity investment and help them making informed decision as to how to vote on the corporate matters. So shareholder, you know that the company use the amount of the shareholders. Okay, so shareholder interested in company's financial position because they want in future the good returns, good dividends, and they also want the company is using the money of the shareholder properly or not, and help them make informed decision as how to vote on a corporate matters. Next one is management. So management team needs to understand the profitability, liquidity and cash flow of the organization every month so that it can make operational and financial decision about the business. So management here check out the financial statement of the business, then only take the decisions in future. Employees, a company may elect to provide its financial statement to employees along with the detailed explanation of what the documents contain. This can be used to increase the level of employee involvement in an understanding of the business. So here for employees it is also very important the financial statement. Here with the help of the financial statements, the employees knows about the company's activities, strategies. They all are more involved in the business. External users like the investors. Investor will likely require the financial statement to be provided since they are the owners of the business and want to understand the performance of their investments. Okay, so here investors invested the money in the business. They check out the performance of the business so that in future they all just receive the good returns. The creditors are the person who supply the goods on credit, or the programs and prosperity of the firm to which credits are extended are largely watched by the creditors from the point of view of the security and further credit. So firstly, like suppose here the creditor given the credit of 50,000. Now the company demands more credit like of 20,000. Then firstly the creditor check out the financial statement. If the company is capable to pay back the money, then only the creditor extend the credit facility. Profits and loss account and balance sheet are nerve centers to know the soundness of the firm. Next one is government. A government in whose jurisdiction a company is located will request the financial statement in order to determine whether the business paid the appropriate amount of taxes. So government only check out the company is paying the tax appropriately, properly or not. This only possible after considering the financial statement, analyzing the financial statement of the company. Tools for financial analysis, like here comparative statement, common size statement, ratio analysis, cash flow. Okay, so my today's topic is comparative and common size statements. Ratio separate chapter, cash flow separate chapter in your syllabus. So real life situation, when from the name it is quite clear, comparative statement, when you want to compare two things. For this you need 2 years data. Okay, two relative figures. Like real life example, if you want to know about the academic performance of any child, whether the child is improving or not, for this you need at least 2 terms data. Okay, only then you just find out the results na performance of any child if you are having 2 years data or 2 relative figures. Like here first term result and second term results. For in first term the child scored 85% and in second 92%. So after comparison we have found that the child's academic performance level has increased with the absolute positive change of 7%. Likewise, in case of companies also, applicability of the comparative statement in case of companies. Likewise, in case of the companies also, if you want to know about the company's performance, then the best solution is comparative statement, where you can compare the financial performance of the company with 2 years, like with the current year and the previous year. You just check out company is growing or not. A comparative statement. Comparative statement is a document used to compare a particular financial statement with prior period statement. Okay, like here you need 2 years data, then only it is possible for you to compare the performance. Like types of comparative statement, 2 types: comparative balance sheet and comparative income statement. And in comparative balance sheet you just know about the assets and liability, and in comparative income statement the revenue and expenses. Comparative balance sheet. Comparative balance sheet is a statement that shows the financial position of an organization or different periods. So when you want to know about the different periods, assets, liabilities of the company, then you need the balance sheet. In preparing a comparative balance sheet, the items are placed in rows and years and amounts are shown in the columns. Here this one is the example of the comparative balance sheet. See 2018, 2017. Your current year here according to this example is 2018 and 2017 previous year. Here change in absolute value, change in percentage value. In this way you just maintain the comparative balance sheet. Now the practical problem. Prepare the comparative balance sheet from the following information of Zee Limited for the 2 years as at 31st March 2013 and 12. So 2 year data here provided to you, that is 2013 and 2012. For this, see the solution. For solution you need firstly the one formula. Percentage relative change is equal to absolute change divided by previous year figure multiply 100. So how to solve this problem? First of all, the first column is shareholder funds. Share capital 15 lakh and previous year 8 lakh. The difference is of 7 lakh. Okay. Now here apply the formula 7 lakh multiply previous year amount. See, previous year figure and the previous year is 2012. So 8 lakh, 7 lakh multiply 100 divided by 8 lakh. With you the relative change in percent 87.5. Previously absolute change you just calculated 7 lakh. Now the relative change in percentage 87.5. Now reserves and surpluses. Reserve and surpluses 2013 6 lakh 20,000, 4 lakh 30,000. Now the difference between both is 1 lakh 90,000. In the same way, just calculate the relative change in percentage also. 1 lakh 90,000 multiply 100 divided by 4 lakh 30,000. Here 44.19%. For non-current liabilities like long-term borrowings, loan from the LIC, here 4 lakh, 3 lakh. The difference is of 1 lakh and the relative change is 33.33%. And current liabilities, under current liabilities, trade payables 2 lakh 80,000 minus 1 lakh 70,000. Here the difference absolute change 1 lakh 10,000 and the percentage change here is 64.7. So here previous year the creditors less, your liability less, this year more. The next one, assets. See, compare fixed assets. This year 23 lakh, previous 13 lakh, means this year more as compared to last year. And the absolute change here is 10 lakh and the absolute percentage change 76.92. And of the non-current investments, see, first of all land and building 2 lakh 10,000 and 2 lakh. The difference is of 10,000, 5% here change. Now inventories now 80,000, previously 40,000. The difference is of 40,000 absolute change and 40 lakh. So here 40,000 multiply 100 divided by 40, 100% change. Now debtors 1 lakh 90,000, 1 lakh 50,000, absolute change 40,000 and absolute percentage change 26.67. And cash and cash equivalents 20,000 minus 10,000, 10,000 absolute change, total change 100%. So in this way you just calculate and maintain the comparative balance sheet. Very easy. Only just apply the percentage relative change formula to find out the solution. Now comparative statement of profit and loss. So if anyone wants to know about the revenue or expenses or wants to compare the revenue or expenses of any company, then which statement helps a lot? That is comparative statement of profit and loss. In this, the profit and loss statement is the financial statement that summarizes the revenue, cost and expenses incurred during a specified period, usually a year. These records provide the information about the company's ability to generate the profit by increasing the revenue, reduce the cost. So if any company wants to reduce the cost, check out which year more and which year less, and with the efforts of which item, which department, the less cost in that particular year. Now here same formula, absolute change divided by previous year figure multiply 100. So this one is the example, proper structure of comparative income statement, like see 2016, 2017 amounts available, absolute change and then percentage change. Practical problem number 2. Prepare the comparative income statement from the following information of Health Limited for the year ending 31st March 2013 and 12. For this, see revenue from operation means your sales, cost of revenue from operation, your cost of production, employees benefit, expenses and income tax rate. So first of all, see revenue from operation. Okay, how to compute in this way? The difference is of 2 lakh. 2 lakh multiply 100 divided by, here what is the amount, students? See the formula again. So here your previous year is 8 lakh and with you the percentage change is of 25%. Likewise, they calculate the cost of revenue from operation 60% of sales. So 10 lakh 60%, 6 lakh and 8 lakh 60%, 4 lakh 80,000. The absolute change here is 1 lakh 20,000 and the same way calculate the percentage is 25%. Employees benefit here 60,000 and 48,000 and the difference is of 12,000 and percentage change here is 25. So in the same way on the all items just apply the formula and find out the answer. So here revenue with you sales minus cost, with you the profit and the amount of profit is 3,40,000. On 3,40,000 they take 60%, 2,04,000 and in the next year 1,36,000. The difference between the taxes is 68,000 means 50%. In this way just maintain the comparative statement of profit and loss. The next one is common size statement. In the common size statement, only the difference here you just consider the base 100. Okay, and how to compute in this way? Common size statements are used to compare the companies of different size. So large scale, small scale companies available, like example Samsung, BlackBerry. Okay, you want to know about the financial position of both the companies, then which helps you a lot, common size statements. In different industries like the Reliance Industry and Indian Oil Corporation, you want the financial position, you want to know about the revenues, you want to know about the sales, then it is only possible with the help of common size statements. Next, what is the best use for these common size statement? The answer here is common size statement are usually prepared for income statement and balance sheet. It expresses all the balance sheet accounts as percentages and all the income statements accounts as percentages. Okay. Common size statement. Common size statement further divided into two parts, just like the comparative. Here common size balance sheet and common size profit and loss. So balance sheet shows you assets and liabilities, and profit and loss the revenues and the expenses. Common size balance sheet. So here the common size balance sheet is the balance sheet that displays both the numeric value and relative percentage for two assets, total liabilities and equity accounts. In this process, the total assets and total liabilities are presumed to be 100. So here base 100 considered in the common size. And the percentage of each item is calculated to show the relative relationship in both the years. This one is the structure of common size balance sheet. See here, fixed asset, current assets, ABC and percentage 95%, 5%. Here the total base 100. So objectives to see the trend of different items of balance sheet, increasing trend, decreasing trend. It is only possible with the help of analysis of common size balance sheet. To analyze the changes in each item of balance sheet to assess the financial soundness of the companies. These all are the objectives. Now following us the steps. Number 1, column. So here columns meant you just maintain firstly columns. Number 1 column. In this column the particulars of items of income statement or balance sheets are written. Second column, enter absolute amount. Third column, choose a common base as 100. So here the main point, choose a common base as 100. So practical problem. C. Prepare a common size statement balance sheet from the following. C. One company Taj Limited balance sheet 2013 and 2012. Here data is provided to you. So how to find out the solution? So see absolute amounts, percentage of balance sheet total of 2013 and 2012. So here the share capital 14,15,000 multiply 100 divided by total. Total with you 35,18,000 and with you the percentage change 40.22. Just in the same way calculate for 2012 also 13,90,000 multiply 100 with the divided by the total 3,11,000 with you 43.29. Okay. So for reserve and surpluses For 2013, 1,05,500 multiply 100 divided by 35,18,000. And with U3, the percentage change. And in case of reserves, 1,06,000 and multiply 100 divided by 32,11,000, 3.30. So in the same way, calculate the long-term borrowings and the current liabilities also. Now, common size statement of profit and losses. A common size income statement is an income statement in which each line item is expressed as a percentage of value of the revenue or sales. Common size financial statement help to analyze and compare a company's performance over several periods with varying sales figures. So like suppose you want to know about the sales progress in a company. Firstly, check out the last year sales, now current year sales. Compare, and for this you need the statement, common statement, that is common size statement of profit and loss to compare. Statement of Reliance Industries Limited, like see here, analysis of the balance sheet of Reliance company. See current assets 2009-2010 data here. In 2009 less as compared to 2010. So current liability of Reliance company in 2009 42,664.81, but in 2010 more as compared to 2009. So here the assets also more, liabilities also more. Working capital here previous 2009 22,756.58, now in 2010 less as compared to 2009. Now objectives. What are the objectives? To assess the efficiency of the firm, to analyze the changes in the different item of statement of profit and loss. So if you want to know about the changes only, that is only possible with the help of common size statement. To know the trend of different items of like increasing trend or decreasing trend, it is only possible with common size statement. So procedure here, step number 1, place the income statement of 2 years side by side vertically. So current year should be on the left side and previous year on the right hand side. Step number 2, start with the net revenue from operation in the both the years. So you know that net revenue from operation means your sales. You start with the revenue from operation. Okay, assume the net revenue from operation as 100. Here base considered 100 because you are maintaining the common size statement of profit and loss. And find out the percentage of all the other items like cost of revenue. So what is the formula? Each individual item multiply 100 divided by net revenue from operation. Step number 4, compare these percentages in the both years and comment on them. Practical problem. Here is practical problem. See students, practical problem. From the following information, prepare the common size statement of profit and loss of Star Limited for the year ending March 31st, 2013 and 12. So here 13-12 data is provided to you. You just maintain common size statement of profit and loss. Revenue from operation given in the statement, expenses given. Okay. So here the solution, absolute amounts, percentage of net revenue. So revenue from operation 29,70,000 of 2013 and 2012 24,80,000. Okay, how to just find out here? 28,70,000 multiply 100 divided by revenue from operation here base, and your revenue from operation here 29,070 lakh. So see firstly formula, each individual item divided by net revenue from operation. So net revenue from operation as a base, you just consider to calculate the percentage of net revenue. 29,70,000 multiply 100 divided by 29,70,000 with you 100%. In 2012 also same way, 24,80,000 multiply 100 divided by 24,80,000, 100 percentage of net revenue. Now other income. For other income, also consider revenue from operation. Okay. 70,000 multiply 100 divided by 29,70,000. But the percentage 2.36 and for 2012 1.61. Cost of material. See, in cost of material the percentage 73.06 and 79.84 for the year 2012, and employees benefit expenses 4.38 for year 2013 and for 2012 4.03. For other expenses, see the percentage here 0.67 and 0.40. So in the same way, with same formula, calculate two total expenses also. Then profit before tax, you know how to compute. Revenue from operation, deduct expenses, with you the profits, then 50% tax imposed. 7,20,000, 50%, 3,60,000, here 4,30,000, 50%, 2,15,000, your tax here imposed. And your percentage change here is 12.12 and 8.67. Profit after taxes 3,60,000 and 2,15,000. So this one is the formula. Each item divided by net revenue from operation multiply 100. So for each and every item, for percentage, you just consider net revenue from operation in case of common size statement of profit and loss. Now it's time for homework. List any three tools of analyzing financial statement. Number 2, write any two forms of presenting the comparative statement. Number 3, what is comparative balance sheet? Number 4, what is the advantage of the comparative balance sheet? What is meant by comparative balance sheet? Then what is a common size balance sheet? What is the objective of the common size balance sheet? Which item is taken to be 100 in case of common size income statement? Which item is taken to be 100 in case of common size balance sheet? What is common size income statement? And your practical problem 1 till 28 sum along with related illustrations, and must watch YouTube videos of this topic for more better understanding of the topic. Thank you so much, students.